Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm at Lipping. In today's video, I'm going to talk about that the White House is saying that Bitcoin mining must be greener or the US should ban it. Then the second thing I would like to talk about is that the SEC chairman, Gary Gensler, backs giving CFTC Bitcoin's oversight. And the third thing is all about that, unfortunately, Queen Elizabeth died. But interestingly, a lot of meme coins with her name and a lot of NFT projects just appeared from nowhere. So guys, all these things in today's video. And if you would like to stay up to date, simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every single weekday I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content and if it's important for you. And also check out the links under this video because there are many useful ones. So when we look at the market, we can see green numbers today. Bitcoin, it's up 7.5% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum almost 5%, but now Bitcoin is doing even better than Ethereum. When we're looking at the top gainers, then we see a Ravencoin up 25% and OKB 19%, ApeCoin 16%. And when we're looking at the top losers, then USDC down 10%, Leo down 5%, and Terra Classic is down 2.5%, but not a lot going in the negative direction. Because when we see this here on the 4-hour chart, we can see that the Bitcoin is doing now again well. I mean, to be honest with you, we're not looking here for new all-time highs, right? We're looking at the present situation, and this support line, this 18,000, 600-ish, something like that. It has worked pretty well this time again, and now we all the way back here. And I think this is also a very important resistance line. As you can see it here, it was a support, it was a support. Here it was a support. So several times Bitcoin changed direction on this between 20 and 21,000. And when we're looking at here, the next one we can look at, even we can argue that here at 21,000, 22,000, but anyway, here at 21, 22,000, as you can see here, we can see a couple of, changes in directions. And those work as resistance and support. It depends which direction we're going. So we will see how long it will take. Again, we're talking about like a rally here in the bear market. Nothing special, to be honest with you. But for those who would like to trade in short term, day trading, and so on and so forth, or even doing swing trading, for them, it could be a great opportunity. Depends what your strategy is. Right, and now let's move on to the first topic, and I haven't shared the screen. I just realized it. Amazing. I haven't shared the screen. I'm just wondering when was the last time. So anyway, so here you can see the chart. I apologize for it. I just realized it that it's I messed it up. So anyway, here you can see these levels, and until now you had to picture it how it looks like. But I think you have seen so many times. I think you have it in front of you, but now you can see it much clearer. Okay, well, things like this happening. And now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about that the White House saying that Bitcoin mining actually must be greener than now, or US should really ban it. So, we do know that in the US, they're working on regulations and on this whole, how they should regulate crypto and what they should do with it. So it's really on the table right now. And now the White House is actually saying that if Bitcoin using that much energy, then which is definitely not climate friendly, then it really should be banned. So here you can read it that the White House today suggested that US lawmakers and regulators could soon crack down on cryptocurrency mining because of its large carbon footprint. But the White House also went as far as to say that if measures to make mining greener don't work, energy-intensive crypto mining, namely Bitcoin, could be banned altogether. And we do know that US is now the Bitcoin mining hotspot in the world after, China cracked down on the industry. So, to be honest with you, when we're looking at the reports, we can see that already more than 50% of Bitcoin mining it comes from green energy, but they want to have it even more effective. And yes, this is a problem we do know with proof of work system. However, when we're looking at many things, aviation, you're looking at the banking sector and all these gold mining, they use much more energy than Bitcoin does. However, there are definitely people in the White House, they don't want Bitcoin succeed. And this could be a great thing for them to push forward. Maybe they can stop that. On the other hand, we do know that in the US, there are many people, they support Bitcoin, even top people. And on the other hand, the investment side from institutions and from banks, it's ongoing. So it's getting so big now that it's very, very difficult to ban it. Even the mining, but you never say never, okay? But they still have a lot of things that they have to figure out. And I think if they work on it hard and they want to find a solution, then they can find a solution, probably. But yes, to use a lot of energy, that's definitely not a great thing. But we shouldn't say that Bitcoin is the bad guy in the world who's using the energy and everything else is fine, because when you're looking at other industries, there are, much bigger energy users. Okay, we will see in which way the story will develop. And okay, the second thing I would like to talk about is that Gary Gensler actually backs giving CFTC Bitcoin oversight, but Ethereum, that's a good question. What's the plan with Ethereum? So let me share the screen. And, at the industry conference, the SEC chief, Gary Gensler, said that he supports handing the CFTC the power to oversee and regulate crypto non-security tokens and related intermediaries. However, we're just talking about Bitcoin in this case. So Gensler has previously said that Bitcoin is a commodity, not security. But many believes that he wants to find a way to bring Ethereum, the world's second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, under SEC's control. So recently, he's not talking about Ethereum, if that's a security or a commodity. But previously, it was like Bitcoin and Ethereum could go to the commodity category. So now Gary Gensler is saying that he's happy to give that to the CFTC, but they try to find a way how they can maybe overlook Ethereum and put it in that category. So this is actually very interesting, and actually it will have an impact on Ethereum's development, how the industry will invest in Ethereum, because it's not the same. The rules are not the same if it's in a security category or a commodity category. So this is also an interesting thing. But in the next couple of years, we're going to see a lot of things happening in regulations, because it's a difficult, complex topic. But at the end of the day, when at least Bitcoin is figured out how it's regulated, stable coins, maybe Ethereum, the big guys, then after that, the picture will be much clearer. And after that, more money can get into the system, and which can actually push up the next bull market, probably. Okay, and now let's move on to the third topic, and this is all about this unfortunate situation that we do know that Queen Elizabeth died, but a lot of meme coins with her name came out and NFT projects. So it looks like people would like to make money from everything. And, the situation is now that the Queen, with age 96, died. And, crypto markets see now a flood of Queen Elizabeth meme coins and NFTs. So more than 40 new Queen-related meme coins and hundreds of new non-fungible tokens are out. New tokens launched on decentralized exchanges on the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum over the last 24 hours, including names like Queen Elizabeth, Inu, Save the Queen now? Doesn't make sense. Queen Doge, London Bridge is down, RIP Queen Elizabeth, and all these things. So according to the data from DEX Screener, the Queen Elizabeth Inu token on BSC-based PancakeSwap has since had the biggest price value gain over 24 hours, which is a 28,506% pump. Crazy. Over the NFT market, OpenSea, the RIP Queen Elizabeth project has also sprouted up within hours of the Queen's passing away. So we can see over there. So the amount of NFTs in the collection seems to suggest that the project creators was waiting for the right moment to launch the collection. And as bad as it sounds, the right moment was when when she died, and that's yesterday. So yeah, well, to be honest with you, I'm not a big fan of that people jumping so quick on things like that. You can make money in so many other ways, but this is just like, okay, I don't know. It's just maybe me. I don't know. Okay, that's it. I just wanted to let you know because this is how the crypto market now works. And that's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to get this daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Next week, I'm back with the freshest on Monday. I wish you an amazing weekend. Have a good one. Bye-bye.